So hey love, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Yeah! So I received a gift, guys, and I'm so excited to show you what I got. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful to Ndanazei for gifting me with this. So guys, this is not a sponsored video, so please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and let's get right into it. So this is the gift that I received from Ndanazei. Comes with my name, Harriet Mhlanga, and of course I did open this package, but for the sake of this video I just wanted to show you what I got. So it's in here and I'm just going to open it up. So this was completely free, guys. Also came in a black plastic bag. It has my name on it, Harriet. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you what I got. So firstly, I got this bronze palette from PA's. So I got this bronzing palette, and if you open it, let me open it. Ooh, 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 do you see that? Do you see that? Look at that. So it has this color. You can use this to contour, even that, and you have these eyeshadow colors as well. So this is really great. I'm so excited to use this palette. I'm very, very excited. And then next up, I got this glow highlighting powder from Solstice. I hope you can see. It comes in a gold package, so this is exciting. Guys, please do check out Ndanazei. They have an Instagram page. Please do check them out. Please also check them out on Facebook as well at Ndanazei. So this is Topshop. I kid you not, guys. I kid you not. This is free, so it's a gift, and I was super excited to open this for you. Please check them out, guys. You need to check them out. The good thing is they get their products from the UK, which means you're guaranteed original products and you're guaranteed really great products. The next thing I got is this shipwrecked baked matte and metallic eyeshadow palette. So it comes like this. Look at how beautiful these colors are. Do you see? You can create the soft glams. You can even create a glam look with this. It has black, blues, even it has shimmery colors, it has matte colors. I think I'm definitely going to enjoy this palette. I've never tried any of these products before, so I'm super, super excited. And then it comes like this. So this is the shipwrecked palette. And then next up, I got this foundation. Look at all of these products, guys. I cannot. I got this foundation from Barry is that how they pronounce it? From Barry Perry Healthy Mix foundation. It has vitamin mix, and it's a 16-hour foundation. It lasts for like 16 hours. As you can see, I haven't even opened it. It's like a new foundation. I can't wait to try this. I hope this is in my shade. We can work around it. And then lastly, I got this NYX lipstick, and it's in the shade Disorderly Chaotic. Can you focus? Can you focus on me? So it does not want to focus, but the shade is Disorderly Chaotic, and Disorderly Chaotic sounds fun to play with. So I've never really used purple lipstick on my lips, so I'm so excited to try this. It's literally purple, so this is the color of the lipstick. And wow guys, so these are pretty much the things that I got these. I'm trying to hold everything together. So I got all of these products and I'm super excited to try them. So in my next video I'll be trying these new products and we'll be creating a look with these products. So I'm super excited. Once again, I would like to say thank you at Ndanatse. Please do check them out on their Instagram page and on their Facebook page. They really have really great products, and the good thing is they also import from the UK, so you get really good quality products and you also get them at an affordable price. So please do check them out, and I'll see you in my next video. I can't wait to try this product. So, bye.